What problems often occur when processing internal threads of plastic parts? What are the solutions? The challenges include 1. Thread deformation. Plastic materials are susceptible to deformation during the threading process, leading to inaccuracies in thread dimensions and pitch. 2. Material flow. Certain plastics may exhibit uneven material flow during machining, resulting in inconsistent thread quality and appearance. 3. Brittleness. Some plastics can become brittle when subjected to threading forces, increasing the risk of thread breakage or failure. 4. Machining residue. Residual material buildup in the thread crests and roots can hinder assembly and compromise thread integrity. 5. Thread slippage. Inadequate thread engagement or insufficient friction between mating components may cause thread slippage, impacting joint stability and functionality. 6. Dimensional stability. 7. Chemical compatibility. Follow us to get the solution and more information.